Hello friends, let's go to the video and days we are in the day 8 day 7 video. Yesterday I am not able to upload it because I am traveling yesterday, and today evening also I have a plan to travel, overnight travel. So either I will try to post it before I start traveling, otherwise I will post it on tomorrow early morning, not early morning, around same, like maybe 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So just read the disclaimer just to share my financial things. So instead of risking your money, I will do with my money, and you can learn something from that. I hope that, and don't take any trends based on my videos or my advice or something. I won't advise usually, and because it involves risky, and you may chance to lose your own hard-earned money. So don't do that, and read this. Mistakes daily as a practice, and try to follow it. And this is a status today. So what happened until Friday, you may notice that we are all good. Now it's showing everything in we are having some red alerts. So what happening? So I adjusted a few things. Because of that, I'm taking little more risk, and I'm trying to get more profit. So that's the thing. But in the Spiny Mouse series, I should not take a bigger risk. But since the capital I started with this less, so I need to just show you few. I mean to make some adjustments so that the capital I can increase, and risk management also I can do that. So just this risk I'm taking, and this is not going to be a final risk, and just I will wait for 1 or 2 days to to check for me whether it is going as per my view or not. So that's the thing. So that's the reason it's showing this is minus 25, but allowed is only 15,000. So you may know that 30% if I lose, that is 30,000 if I lose, then this series considered to be a it's a I failed it. So but this is little more risk only. So but I will recreate the position today or tomorrow. And here the way we usually we will do, so here unlimited is there, so we can't calculate the risk reward. So that is also a problem right now. And realized loss profit is 11,200, and realized will be 13 minus 13,644. And we are in the day 7, that is Monday yesterday. And here these are the position. You if you noticed, already I booked one of the sell position few days back, and again I booked the profit in the 24,900. I can't say I booked the profit. And another thing, the purpose of booking is not just to book the profit. I am waiting for the rebounds, so that I can resell it again at a higher position. So that's the thing. But it's we should not actually speculate the market where it will go, but just for um some better profit, I'm just doing it. But it's not advised to do if we are not confident enough. So this is a current status. So my view is will be like today or tomorrow it should rebound. Today means 5th November. Today or tomorrow it should start rebound. So what I am planning is like I will resell the position at a higher value. Currently it's at 120, around 95 or something, 95 to 100 I think. So once it started going up again, then I will resell it again at a higher position, like 200 rupees or something. That's the plan, but it won't go up like 120, 100 to 200 immediately, because it's far out of the current position strike phase, because it's going around to 24,000, 2400 and all. So it's a very too far, so it won't go up immediately. But still I will try to resell it at the better price, because I am thinking it will rebound. So uh, it's my view. And this is the two portion. As of now we booked profit 11.20, it's there. And since uh, the value for 24,900 is lesser than this 125, so we lost around 2k profit here. So that's the reason it's showing unrealized will be more and profit realized will be lesser. So but we will recreate it, so it's not worry. And gold ETF, how it is performing, and it's went from positive to negative thing, and it's a small quantity, so it won't make any big difference. And let's go to the Greeks. So here if we see uh, compared to last few past days, it's different. Why this is happening? Because earlier we used to have two buy and two sell, but currently we have two buy, only one sell, because the another sell we need to recreate it. So what is happening here? So the values are looking different, and this can be, you can check what is the delta, theta, gamma, everything in on your own. Otherwise in the upcoming days I will let you know. With Bega, I can say like from minus 769 to 1026 it went. It means that like if IV, like volatility index, if goes up by 1%, earlier time it will go to, we will get profit of around 769, but now, no, sorry, we will lose 769. Now it means like if 1% increase, 1026 rupees we will get extra, not realized, unrealized. Why that is happening? But it is not happened in the past. It means currently we have two buy value. Usually if we have if volatility goes up, then it's a good for us, but for selling option at the time it is bad for us. So as of now it's fine, but already it's went up, so mostly it will try to go down only when it market move started up moving up. So this is the update. Already market started, today's market. When it started with negative zone, and now I think it's trading around. Let me check. It's plus 27 or something. It started with a minus 90 or something. So let's see. And this need to be attention is required as mentioned here. Today by today or tomorrow, I need to read the question. Mostly market won't go in one direction. It should rebound, but sometime it will go down continuously towards downside also. So at the time also we can't keep saying the thing like it won't, it should rebound or something. When I lost hope on this my view, then I will recreate the position so that I can minimize the loss. So that's the thing. Let's see, and see you in the next video. May I will post it on today evening, early possible before my travel starts. Otherwise, post my journey tomorrow. I will update. Thank you. Bye bye.